Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix CMD not working in Windows. Let's get started. First, try running Command Prompt as administrator. Click on the Start menu, search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as administrator. If that doesn't work, restart your computer because sometimes temporary glitches can stop CMD from opening properly. Next, check if your system files are corrupted. Open Windows Search, type CMD, right-click and run it as administrator, then type sfc/scan now and press Enter. This will scan and fix any corrupted system files. After that, you can try using the Run dialog. Press Windows + R, type CMD, and hit Enter to open it. If CMD is still not working, check for any pending Windows updates. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update, and install updates. You can also try creating a new user account, as sometimes the issue is related to your current user profile. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.